Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can mirror or flip video in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all I'm going to open the project I have just created in my CapCut. This is my project and I'm going to open it. And for example, I'm going to mirror or flip video in this project. If we want to do that, we can tap on the video until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active now, and then we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the transform option. Click on it and you can select mirror. Okay, and as you can see guys that the video has been flipped, and we just need to go back and continue our editing in CapCut. Alright guys, and that's all the way to mirror or flip video in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.